In this video you learn about do you need a website for your import-export business. And in this video I give you some tips for beginner. So watch full video. Lots of people asking me, do I need website for import-export business? My answer is, it's depend on you. If your business is running good, you need to make website. But if you are beginner, you don't need website for your import-export business. If you are beginner, watch this video by clicking here. This video help you. Having a website for your business is great. It helps to get more clients. Not only local clients but also foreign. The problem is that creating and promoting a website takes a lot of time. And it is quite expensive. So, if you have time and money, go for it. But for beginner, I don't suggest for making a website. So, if you are beginner, don't go for website at the beginning. You don't need website. At the beginning you can make your accounts in some trading platforms like Global Sources and eWorldTrade. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you have any questions, comment it.